Hi there. My name is Shane. The next few videos on my channel will be watch related. I am 57 and was born in 1964. I've always had a fascination with watches and was a young teen when the digital watch showed on the scene. I therefore own many Casio watches and some favorites with the Casio fan boys. Today's watch to look at is a recent purchase, namely the Seagull 1963, and runs deep in historical history. I bought it from eBay. As you can see, 160 UK pounds. Prices vary with these watches. I could have got one cheaper. However, I wanted the sapphire glass version rather than acrylic. Also, I am led to believe the watch comes in three sizes: 38-40 and the latest 42mm. The first time I saw the cogs and gears in motion through the rear display glass, I was drawn in and fascinated. This watch is a hand wind only movement. The other mechanical watches in my collection are automatic mechanical. Watches that also get power from the movement of your wrist due to a half-moon balance wheel that this watch does not have. It is hard to believe it was designed 60-odd years ago before computers and calculators and is still being produced to this day. These watches can be delivered in a cardboard box or tin, or as I received mine in this cute plastic box, sponge lined with two straps included. On wrist in certain light. The hands pop with a bright anodized blue hue. And the second hand as well as gold hour markers stand out from the champagne-colored face. A kind of rainbow effect of colors that somehow harmonize. To operate the 30-minute chronograph using the two button pushers. First pushing the top pusher with a stern click to start. Then push again to stop. Pushing bottom push button to zero the second hand and sub dial. It's a clunky solid feeling operating the buttons for sure. Originally made for the Chinese fighter pilots. And the China star can be seen on the crown. The watch beats at 21,600 beats per hour and 6 ticks per second. The movement design is a column wheel chronograph. And similar movements from other watch companies are many times the price of this lovely Chinese timepiece. The case is made from 316 stainless steel. And has a uniform polish all over. Sits very comfy on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. And I can wear all day and forget I've got it on. This video would be very long if I went into all of this watch's history. And talk about the amazing movement, all for a modest price. It has been a quick look and overview from a watch buying and wearing experience. There is nothing about this watch that I don't like. I am 100% happy and satisfied. And that's not something I could say about all my watches. I hope you have found this short video of some interest. Any comments please leave in the comments below. My next review will be my Citizen Pro Diver.